How to fix missing chat history, sync now Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix missing chat history, sync now Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this error that you get or this notification that you get is likely related to your secure storage settings or internet connectivity. So to fix this, all you have to do is enter the code that you have set while you were setting up your secure storage space. So you can open up your messenger, and when you get that option to type in the pin, simply type in the pin, and now your messages will start syncing. Now other than that, what you can do is you can first check for your internet connection. Make sure that you are on stable internet connection, and after you do that, you can update your messenger. So open up your app store, search for messenger, and after you search for messenger, what you can do is, if there is an update available right here, tap on the update button. After you update it, you can head back to your settings, your messenger settings. To head over to your messenger settings, tap on menu on the bottom right. So let me show you how to get there. Tap on settings here. After you tap on settings, head over to privacy and security. Then head over to end-to-end encrypted chats. After you're there, head over to message storage. After you head over there you will see an option to reset your pin. Now, if you don't remember your pin, you can tap on reset pin to reset it. And yeah, there are more options as well. You can auto sync, as well as you can just turn off secure storage altogether. So after doing that, your account should start syncing again, and that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.